Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market, and today in stock market update I'm going to discuss in detail the global market because it is very important to discuss the silver, USD INR and even US indices also, and you all know that silver has made a new record high. So for the levels we are going to discuss the silver chart and USD INR chart also. So this video is going to be long with the analysis of the Nifty 50 chart, and we'll find out important key levels also for next week. So to know the important updates, important levels for the silver, USD INR, and even for the Nifty 50, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for stock market updates. So first of all, let's come to the chart for the indices, and you can see our Indian market was flat, even not flat. I can say point 0.5 around Nifty 50 was 0.5% up, 0.5% was Sensex was up, and even around point 0.3 Nifty Bank was up. So overall, the Nifty means Indian stock market on Friday was good performing, and on Friday if we see the DJI, it is down 0.5%, and S&P 500 is also down 1%. So S&P 500 is more than 1% down, and Nasdaq तो 1.69% से भी ज़्यादा नीचे था. So you overall US indices and US market was not performing. It was totally negative, and this is giving a alarming situation for the Indian stock market for next week. So we have to watch how our market is going to perform on the basis of this in US indices. US indices on Friday, as you all know that this is the US market is the master market, mother market. Indian market react on the US market. Yes, India VIX is down minus 2% around, means India volatility index, and 2.8% around down, which is means showing like typical signal reduced market uncertainty. तो इंडिया विक्स का डाउन होना इट ओवरऑल पॉजिटिव सिचुएशन, बिकॉज इसमें थोड़ी सी अनसर्टेनिटी कम हुई है in the market, in our Indian market. I'm talking about India VIX. So this is overall okay, positive, but yes, US indices is not giving a good positive indication for the next week, which we have to discuss as a preview for the next week. और बाकी के S&P 500 is this is the VIX है, this is VIX, and S&P small cap 2000 is also 1.5% down. So US market is not overall good at all. But let's quickly discuss what happened in USD INR. On Friday it is test the low of 90.6. So जब मैंने लास्ट वीक बिफोर लास्ट वीक आई डिस्कस द सेम USD INR levels, and it this was I can say here it was the 90.4% around. It was also the record low, but even it has broken this level of 90.4 and reached even beyond that, reached to 90.6. तो 90.4 को भी इसने ब्रेक किया, and going even more lower, means against USD, US dollar. So our Indian rupees INR is continuously not performing, continuously it's weakening and falling. So this level I have given in my last video, that 90 around is 90 to 90.5 around it is a good resistance level. बट लास्ट वीक तो इसने इसको रिस्पेक्ट किया, इट हैज रिस्पेक्टेड दिस रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ 90.90 अराउंड 90.2 वी कैन से. बट on Friday it has totally broken, even closed above that and closed on 90.2, say 90.6, the same level. You can see 90.5. So it has touched the high, closed on the same level around, and the candle you can see looking very very positive. This candle, we call it the Marubozu candle, and it is showing that the rupees, INR, Indian rupees, may fall more in next week, coming time, coming days. So we need to watch this. 90 is a good support level. Okay, good rounding, I'm rounding it off. So 90, around 90 to 90.1 is a good support level for the INR. But we should pray that it should fall even beyond the support, but need to watch what is it is going to do. रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ कोर्स द ऑल टाइम रिकॉर्ड लो लगा ही चुका है 90.6 का, तो 90.6 इस कैन बी अ रेजिस्टेंस, बट यहाँ पे मुझे कोई रेजिस्टेंस दिख नहीं रहा है बिकॉज इट हैज़ क्लोज ऑन द सेम लेवल. सो 90 की 0.5, 90.5 के ऊपर ही है. सो वी नीड टू वॉच दैट वेयर इट इज गोइंग टू स्टॉप. एंड इफ वी सी द सिल्वर, तो सिल्वर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सिल्वर इज trading at its record high. And I also discussed in my last video, I discussed this resistance. If you remember, you can watch video again, my last video. This resistance I have given for the silver, that it was trading around whole week, even more than week, 1 2 3 4 5 6, last last week it was taking a resistance here of 59.60 around in, and I have discussed the resistance level of 60 around यहाँ पे. Or I even mentioned that if it's breaking 60 and closing beyond the 60, definitely it is going to make a new record high. And they see, even this last week ही ये हो गया, and it happened, and it has broken, closed above the 60 level on this day. This date is 9th December, and after that it did not look back, going upside only, and even it has touched the 64.7 on this day, on Thursday. And on Friday it has touched the 65 level, $65, and from there it has fallen uh, to the level of 61. तो 65 का ऑल टाइम हाई, रिकॉर्ड हाई लेने के बाद सिल्वर हैज फॉलन टू 61, मीन्स 545 डॉलर ये गिर भी गया उसी दिन, द सेम डे. तो दैट मीन्स द रिकॉर्ड हाई तो टच कर लिया है 65, बट अभी गिरने के बाद हाउ मच इट विल फॉल, वी नीड टू वॉच नेक्स्ट वीक. दैट आई कैन से द सपोर्ट लेवल कैन बी 59.5 exactly, I will say. So 59.5, breaking 59.5, then you can see more fall in silver. So अभी के लिए yes, silver is at high, trading at high level, and 59.5 level, please keep watch on this level for the next week. और ऊपर के लेवल पे 65 ब्रेक करना means going even more high, giving more return in silver you. So white metal is just shining, and even gold is doing very good. And Brent oil, yes, of course I will definitely mention the Brent oil is also cooling down. It $60 per barrel, or this is also giving a positive sign. But yes, silver is also okay, fall kiya hai, but yes, still need to watch this support which I have just mentioned. And I have opened the Nifty 50 chart also, and there is some different thing to show you all, that I have drawn these trend line, this trend line, and this trend line. I have opened the definitely daily chart because I have to talk short term, and I have to show you since last week what Nifty 50, how it is working. So this trend line which I have drawn on daily chart, you can see, and this blue line is a 20 EMA, 20 day exponential moving average, this blue line. And you can see this is giving very good support. So earlier this I have drawn this trend line, and this horizontal line is also very important, which I want to show you. It is giving a good support. Or last week may you can see that when on 1st of December it has touched the record high, I can say. Yes, all time high, record high, which was 26,325 exactly. After that it has not gone beyond that, and from there it has fallen to level of the 25,700. So 26,300, say 25,700 around, it has fallen, continuously fallen, reached here, taken support, you can say this day on 9th of this December. It has taken support here around 25,700, 800. Yes, 700 exactly I will say. And 1 2 3 days, 3 days it has taken support, and from there it has given a good reversal. It has opened even above the 20 EMA, you can say. This candle on Friday, it has opened above the 20 EMA, which is positive sign. एंड यहाँ पे तो इसने रिवर्सल दे ही दिया था. दिस कैंडल वाज गुड, बट इट दिस level was not broken by the Nifty 50 on that day. But yes, Friday it has even opened above that and closed above that, which is giving a positive sign. But as I just discussed the global market, so we need to we need to watch very closely that now what Nifty 50 is going to do. Because if it's coming back, falling back from here, and then again going to 25,700, then it will take some time to reach new all time high. Yes, huh? Yeah, I will discuss what can be the new level, because earlier it has touched the 26,300 high, but now if it is going upside, not coming back, not coming back to this support. So if it is going taking the same way to go up, definitely it will come to this trend line and will take resistance. Definitely it will take resistance here on this trend line, or it may reach to the new all time high of 26,500. So 26,500, even earlier I have discussed that it may reach around 26,500 to 400, 500, I can say. तो वही लेवल अभी यहाँ भी दिखा रहा है ऑन दिस ट्रेंड लाइन. आई कैन से हियर 26,000, रफली 26,500, अगर ये यहाँ से सीधे ऊपर जाता है. बट हियर इट विल डेफिनेटली टेक अगेन अ रेजिस्टेंस एंड विल कम बैक. It is possible. Be mindful with the level of 26,500 after breaking 26,300. यहाँ पे ये वाला न्यू ऑल टाइम है. और नीचे में मैंने ये सपोर्ट दिया. आई एम नॉट गोइंग बियॉन्ड दिस, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट सीइंग दैट नेक्स्ट वीक ओनली इट विल ब्रेक दिस लेवल. अगर कोई ऐसी बहुत बड़ी न्यूज़ नहीं आती है फ्रॉम द global market or from the Indian market, I cannot expect the support. This support is going to be broken by Nifty 50. तो ये एक 20 EMA का support, and then this 25,700 support I am taking for the next week only. Yes, I will definitely update if something happens that here and it is breaking this, or if something happens, I will definitely अपडेट. उसके बाद तो फिर ये 25,400 का मैंने ऑलरेडी वीकली चार्ट में इन माय लास्ट वीडियो आई ऑलरेडी डिस्कस, बिकॉज देयर आई टॉक द लॉन्ग टर्म, तो आई डिस्कस दिस 25,400 फॉर द लॉन्ग टर्म. बट फॉर द शॉर्ट टर्म, डेफिनेटली फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक आई एम नॉट गोइंग to take this 25,400. Yes, breaking this level support, it will go to the 25,400. So abhi don't go. I'm not going beyond this support. I have made the, but before that I have made the video for the ICICI Prudential AMC IPO, which already opened from the 12th December to 16th December. Uh, Watch the IPO detail in this video. Please watch the Nifty Bank level also for the next week. I have analyzed the chart also and discussed everything in detail. I will give the video in link in I button. And Nifty 50 level for the next week. Important support is 25,700. and important resistance is 26,500